everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all this easy and yummy lemon pickle recipe. This is a grandma's secret recipe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I have got 20 fresh lemons. Next I'm going to cut them into small pieces and remove the seed out. Then I'm going to place them in a chatty or a bowl and add salt step by step as we place each layer of the lemons. After applying the salt to the lemon, I'm going to mix it properly so the salt is applied to the lemons properly, and I'm going to keep it overnight or the whole day, and we are going to prepare it next day. Next I'm going to take a chatty or a cooker and add half cup of oil. We can use any kind of oil, coconut oil or any olive oil. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it till it becomes brownish or a goldenish in color. Next I'm going to add mustard powder यानी कि सरसों का powder, which I roasted and made it into a fine powder, and I'm going to add at least 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon as per our choice, and going to saute it until it changes its color. And I'm going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I used Kashmiri chili powder over here. We can use any kind of chili powder. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder यानी कि हल्दी. Then I'm going to add some curry leaves to it and saute it. So if you all loved watching this video, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. So then I'm going to add 2 cups of water or 1 cup of water depending on the quantity. If it is too thick, we are going to add more water. Then I'm going to add some jaggery to it, yani ki good. As you all can see, I have already added some lemon to it, which was by mistake. So I'm going to add some jaggery and going to mix it well so it melts. Then I'm going to keep on stirring it till the jaggery is melted. Then I'm going to add the lemons. Slowly I'm going to add little by little and mix it nicely. After mixing it properly, I'm going to add more water as the mixture had become too thick. I'm going to mix it again well at least for 2 minutes, and I'll close the lid of the cooker and let it whistle at least for 2 times. So after 2 whistles, I let it cool for little time, and when the mixture was cooled down, I removed it in a container, in a glass container, in a airtight container, and here it is. You can see it's looking delicious and so easy to make. So do check out and let me know in the comments how it was. Bye.